How's it going, bros? My name is Felix. We get to play with Thomas and friends today. We have Percy and Thomas. They're gonna go around the tracks. Yeah, let's turn them on. Here we go. There goes Thomas. There goes Percy. Going up the track. Oh, look at him go. Oh, hey, look at the lights. What's it, Christmas almost? Oh, there he goes. Wow, just one of my favorite parts. Look at him. Oh! And there he goes. How about Percy? There he goes. Woohoo! That was awesome. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Look at it crash. Oh, did you see that? That was crazy. I can't wait to see what they're gonna do next.